I got this Formula 1 car for free. Yep, you heard that right, for free. The first stop, the heart of downtown. People could not believe their eyes. But then I thought, what if I push it further? So I pointed this track-only monster straight at the sand dunes. The problem is, it's not built for the dunes. No suspension travel and no ground clearance. It could break in minutes. This video, I'm living out all my childhood fantasies one after another. And while I'm at it, I'm also unleashing my Turbo Hayabusa quad. 2 insane machines, 1 ridiculous weekend. Let's see what survives. This is a competition-style Formula 2000 car powered by a 2-liter Ford 4-valve engine. This one made over 150 horsepower on the dyno and weighs right under 1,500 pounds. These cars can punch to 0 to 60 in just under 4.2 seconds and can hit about 130 miles per hour in the straights. Supposedly, this one was built by the school founder Berto Roos himself to teach people how to drive race cars. They feature a fully fiberglass body paired with the Volkswagen drivetrain. They're custom built out of square tubing with adjustable seating and cockpit positions to accommodate lots of different drivers. There's an estimated 15 to 20 units of these that ever seen the light of day.
Ready? Yep. Yeah. Stop. You were definitely pulling the whole thing just with that. Nice.
So Sean from Bikes and Beards gave this F1 car to me for free. Technically it wasn't free, and technically it's not an F1 car, it's a training car, but for the sake of the video, it is an F1 car. I offered Sean my crazy turbocharged Gixxter lawnmower, and I offered him $3,500 of my services free of charge. So technically it wasn't free. On the topic of free, Insta360 X5 sent me their action camera for free. We're going to be putting this to the paces and capturing this amazing once-in-a-lifetime experience of taking my F1 car downtown. Jeez. Yes, sir. Yeah, this is, dude, this is crazy. 13-inch Miata wheels. It looks sick. It definitely looks like something a group of college kids built in their class.
They were definitely hung over in class for sure. That should be fine, right? Vasily, your mom's calling you. I'm serious. Yeah, I'm serious. Yeah. I don't know. You need to answer that.
Nah, it's fine.
Nah, it's just my mom. Mom's come and go. Race cars. Fire! Ain't going nowhere. That might flop around a little bit. Yeah. So this one is. It's supposed to go somewhere. I think just
probably like right here.
Yeah, I don't know. I couldn't. Maybe.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's better than nothing.
It's better than nothing.
It's a lot more jankier than I thought it was. It's pretty jank. We'll make it work. We'll figure it out. Hey, you can't beat free.
It's free real estate.
And just like that, we're the proud owner of a F1 car. Well, it's a training F1 car. Alright, here goes nothing. Fuel pump. Literally everyone I've talked to fantasizes about either driving or owning an F1 car, so to live this out in real life is pretty crazy and something my childhood brain could have never comprehended. What the heck? I was expecting this to be like super janky and like death cart vibes, but nah. It's legit. When I was a kid, man, absolutely fascinated by F1 cars. But my brain could never comprehend owning one. And I know this is like a super janky F1 car, but it counts. It's gotta count, right?
Uh-oh. Oh no. We might be cooked.
Bro, lock in.
shit, bro.
How fast will it run?
130.
Wow, good. Be careful, 'cause you ain't got no damn lights. You ain't got to go far, do you?
Yeah.
Be careful, buddy.
Yep. Yes, sir. Hi, guys. I can finally stretch its legs a little bit. Crazy. We passed like 6 cops. You might have guessed it, we're taking this thing to the dunes. Guys, huge shout out to Rocky Mountain ATV for these beautiful paddle tires and these beadlock wheels. They also hook the front up too. So I will have these linked in the description. Check out Rocky Mountain ATV for any OEM or aftermarket ATV motorcycle parts, side by side, you name it, they got everything. And that is freaking insane. Woo. I hope that's going to be enough ground clearance. So we got 4x130 to 4x100 and then 4x100 to 4x156, and I see a problem already. These studs are poking out, but it like barely clears. And then these are the Tusk front sand lights paired with a RZR 800 wheel I found on Marketplace for the fronts. I really hope it holds together because we're gonna be going well over 100 miles an hour. All right, so we were about 2.5 hours into our road trip. I woke up, left the house at 5:15 a.m. John left his house at 4. So I am running way behind, but it's fine. There has probably not been a single Tacoma in the history of the world that's been put to use as much as this one. I brought a spare welder, race gas, spare tires, and even a spare engine. If that gives you any idea of what me and John are planning to do. And look what else I brought. The Hayabusa quad. I got very little sleep because I was just so excited. I was so excited and also anxious, nervous. All right, so I'm gonna surprise John. He has no clue I'm bringing this F1 car with paddle tires. I did not tell him, although I did say it was gonna be something crazy. So maybe he has some expectations, but I told him to wait outside. And I'm gonna surprise him, and I'm super excited to see what he says. I did tell him I was bringing the turbo Hayabusa, so he's gonna be pretty stoked about that. Guys, I think we brought the wrong build. I think I should have brought the jet boat out here. All right, boys, I think we are here. Yes, sir. Yo!
Oh, bro, what is that? What? Bro, well done, sir. Well done. What's in it? Where do you even begin? Look at this thing. So that's what the wheels are. You didn't tell me. You didn't tell me.
You weren't expecting this, were you?
No, I was like, he's gonna bring the mini trophy
truck.
Yeah,
yep.
yeah, I was like, he's gonna bring the trophy truck. No, bro, you were coming out. We were going to IndyCar. Oh, you brought the sled motor.
Yeah.
Ooh. Bro, that's where we're gonna be ripping.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. God really came through with the view, with the weather.
Right. Here we go.
The guy was like, you probably should not put that on there. You probably should test it first and then put it on. But we like to live life on the edge.
Yeah.
All right, guys. This is my first time at the dunes. Pretty crazy. Woo! Oh, man. The steering isn't that good. It's pretty smooth, though. It's super, like, comfy, dude. The suspension actually works. This is gonna be insane. Let's see if we can get up this hill. Oh boy, these bumps are crazy. Woo! Wow, dude, this is insane. Woo! Holy crap, dude! We made it here to the dunes. This is sick. My first time ever. It's pretty insane. Pretty insane, dude. The problem with the sand is you're bouncing up and down so much and it's impossible for a camera to just stay in one place. But with the Insta360 X5, it shoots a full 360 degree POV, 8K, so you can take snippets of any angle you want. You can track it, and that's how I got some of the most beautiful footage out here in the dunes. So huge shout out to Insta360 X5. Feel free to check the link in the description if you are interested. I have a custom discount code, Vasily. Use that to save some money off your next purchase. With that being said, let's get back to ripping.
She ain't liking the hills very much.
Well, the gearing's too tall.
Yeah, I feel that.
But dude, overall not bad. What the dune guys were telling me is actually the wind will blow and make the sand smooth, which I did not know that. And so it's super rough right now. Wow, dude, that was quick.
Good news is they both run. And they didn't break yet.
Yeah, it seems that the faster I go, the smoother it gets.
You definitely win the competition of who gets stuck first. That thing's too fucking cool, though.
Appreciate it. Yeah, I was doing pretty good until I stopped.
There, that bro. Do that again. There's your title pick right there. Bro, I'm having fun. I don't even care. This is mad fun. These guys are awesome. They've been helping us all day with this, man. I can't thank them enough. There you go.
Dude, so what's going on? What's going on?
Well, it's not tuned for anything in the mid. It's only tuned for wide open.
Yeah, where are you at, bro?
Huh?
Where are you at?
Oh.
Is the suspension like not good?
Boo. Boo. Banshees suck.
What?
No, I'm just kidding.
Bro, you used to love
I love, dude, I still love Banshees.
See?
I still love
See,
Banshees.
you still love Damn, son! Bro, why would you do that to me? Oh, I hate sand so much, bro. I'm happy and excited that I get to rip an F1 car on the sand today.
Yes, sir.
Beyond happy. Thank you, Vasily. This has been a dream. You already knew.
All right, dude, let's get this.
So I put this turbo Hayabusa quad together almost a year and a half ago, and to finally take it to the dunes is a crazy milestone and accomplishment. This thing absolutely rips. I am so happy with it. On a little bit of a sadder note, this thing is for sale on Marketplace, so if you're interested in a hyper quad, check out the link in the description.
Dude, I'm in a hyper quad and I can't keep up. Yeah, I'm in a hyper quad and I can't keep up.
Throttle.
Oh, it got stuck?
Got stuck again, yep. I've been babying it, like if I stop the gas a couple times, a lot of times it will just clear right up, but that time it didn't clear up. And that time it left me catapulting down the hill.
Oh, wow, the WD-40 kind of made it worse.
It made the sand stick to it.
Yep.
That was my second thought.
Seems like this one is doing the same thing.
It's finally getting smooth.
Throttle's getting stuck.
Man, maybe that's our sign, bro.
Is it?
Alright, yo, you get props. You get props. I did get that, bro. Holy.
How'd that look?
Bro, absolutely epic,
This
dude.
is a river.
Dude, you were afraid to get on it the whole time. That thing stood right up.
Towards the end of the day, I stumbled across this lady-driven pre-runner, and this definitely got my gears churning to try to finish my trophy truck back at home. Although I gotta say, with the low view counts, that's been very hard to do.
Look at this. This is sick.
Guys, buy some merch. I'm trying to come out here in my trophy truck.
That's gonna get him to buy merch. That's totally
$1.
That's enough to get him to buy.
Guys, if you want more crazy videos like this, help me out. Share this video with your friend, with your mom, with your grandma. Leave a like, subscribe. Also, I have some pretty dope merch available. Check it out. That being said, huge thanks to Stupid Fast John for coming out on this adventure. Check his channel out down below in the description. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Stay tuned. Peace and God bless.